Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vaibhav and we have with us now this is Noise Buds 2 N2 Pro. After the successor of the Noise N1 Pro, there is an additional or a upcoming series which they have Noise has been launched. This is Noise N2 Pro Buds. So I'm going to unbox this video now. Let's open the box and we'll give you the go through the specification, what exactly we can get it in the box and what are the different kind of specification we will get it. Okay, so I'm just opening the box now. See, this is the box. We found some stickers, couple of documentation, and this is the Noise 2 Buds Pro. Okay, let's see what else we can get it in the box itself. This is a type C cable which is for the charging purposes, and this is the extra pair of buds you can able to utilize. Okay, so I'm keeping this here. And just go through the features of exactly what it is showing. If you see the box, it is they call it as a artistic blue color, but it look is a very charismatic actually. See, if you see, if you open this now, there is a light is pop up. Okay, and it's pretty much lightweight. If you considering, you can hold it here and fix it and just keep it in on your ear. This is pretty much lightweighted. Okay, and considering the features of this particular Noise Earbud 2 Pro, okay, so they have claimed that they can able to provide you the 70 hours of the power backup, so you can able to listen this particular earbuds till 3 days. It's pretty much lightweighted. Okay, and its design language is also pretty much good actually. Okay, and also there are a couple of features like a dual device pairing. Similarly, you can able to pair this device with the Google. Okay, there is an additional feature is mentioned here. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And so we have some additional feature like haptic feedback is also there, and also we have IP65 rating in this particular device, so you can able to, there are the minute water splashes would be avoidable. You can able to use it without any hesitation. So this is all about this particular Noise Earbud 2 Pro. So you can able to purchase it from the Amazon website. I will mention in a pin comment wherein you can able to bought this. Okay, so you can purchase this. I will mention in the comment link. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Do like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.